In 2010, Mira Away is a company. It has launched in the market a QR code, which is printed on the package of a product. Those QR code has helped a small medium-sized enterprise in communicate with their customer in a marketing campaign or sales campaign or any other information of those enterprise. However, after a half year doing this QR code, the founder of Miraway has changed their business model. They changed their model from QR code for those enterprise into QR code for supply chain. And the QR code supply chain has three main features, which are inventory management, distribution management, anti-counterfeiting, origin tracking, and with the desire to satisfy the customer demand. So, what is the reason or that those founders want to change their business model into QR code supply chain? Hello, Mr. Ha. I'm very happy to have discussion with you today about in the coffee business show. So, Mr. Ha, can you tell me why you changed your target audience from small and medium-sized enterprise into manufacturing companies? Because at first we are making QR code for those small and medium-sized company because it is it is it is easy to use and the customer will you take a picture of the code and they will see the information etc. from the company, but this company but the covering of those company is limited, so we are changing our business model to QR code supply chain. There is an overall solution when we're choosing our target audience. We're based on our target audience because those manufacturing companies has produced a lot of products into the market. And if we can print our code in those product package, so the covering of our code would be huge. So I can see that you are expanding your feature of your product, which is QR code supply chain. Uh, why you do not extend your target audience? So so do you think it is a contrast? Actually, whether I extend the target audience or not is not important. The thing is, if we have the coverage of QR code on a large scale, but it is not focused on any product, it will not make any effect or any success for us. We only focus on manufacturing companies because if we are doing a good job, those companies will invite us to the others, introduce us to the other companies to work with them, and we can do our job well because we only focus our marketing and sales activities on those target audience, so we can make impression. So I can see that when one idea that happen in the market and you bring this idea into a business model, it can be a potential business or it can be a very bad business. So what do you think about your business model? So currently in the market, there's more than 20 companies doing making business in this field, but they only focus on one of those 8 features that we have. For example, is anti-counterfeiting or satisfy the demand in guarantee, but uh, uh, in case the next year their customer will change their direction into inventory management or something else. So our enemies won't have the feature. Why we have the feature to offer for our customer? So I mean, this is our strength. So what do you think? Which method can you use to approach the target audience? It took me 6 months to build the business model, which is active. And our main approach now is marketing online. We focus on a lot of making new content relating to those target audience. We optimize our website, optimize our tools, advertising tool, in order to make known to our target audience. So what is your opinion about define your target audience? So our our approach is when whatever you choose your target audience is you have to consider about your revenue, your method of development in your business model, and then and also you have to choose the target audience which will bring you a large covering in your when using your products. This is the key for finding your target audience.